Toyota just dropped something big, but actually, it's small. Meet the all-new Land Cruiser FJ, a compact off-road beast that's ready to shake up the SUV world by 2026. This isn't just another SUV. The FJ brings the soul of the Land Cruiser legacy into a modern, smaller, and smarter design, crafted for both the wild outdoors and city streets. Toyota plans to launch it in Japan by mid-2026, and the first public look is happening at the 2025 Japan Mobility Show in Tokyo this October. The Land Cruiser name has been around since 1951. Over 12 million units sold across 190 countries. It's a name that means one thing: unbreakable reliability. And now, the new FJ joins the family alongside the 300, 250, and 70 series. But this one's different. It's compact, agile, and made for adventure lovers who want something fresh, rugged, and totally customizable. Under the hood, it's powered by a 2.7-liter gasoline engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and part-time 4-wheel drive. Add a shorter wheelbase, a 5.5-meter turning radius, and you've got next-level maneuverability, perfect for tight city turns or rocky trails. The design? Pure retro modern perfection. Squared-off silhouette, round headlights, removable bumpers, molly panels for accessories. Everything about this FJ screams freedom and adventure. Step inside, and you'll find a clean, horizontal dashboard, simple intuitive controls, and excellent visibility, whether you're navigating through downtown or climbing a mountain road. But here's where Toyota takes things next level. Introducing the Land Hopper, a tiny electric mobility vehicle that fits right in the back of the FJ's cargo area. When you park, you just pull it out and ride off to explore the trails or the city streets. Genius! The Land Cruiser FJ isn't just a new SUV. It's a bridge between heritage and innovation. It's Toyota reminding the world that adventure is still out there, waiting to be discovered. Compact in size, massive in spirit. This is the Land Cruiser FJ, the next chapter in Toyota's unstoppable journey of freedom, reliability, and fun behind the wheel. Would you drive the new Toyota Land Cruiser FJ? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Icon SUV for more epic car reveals.